Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll discuss one question of cost sheet where we have machine hours. How to record that will be understanding now. Dunkel Limited started a factory in Navi Mumbai on 1st April 2013. Following details are furnished about its activity during the year ended 31st March 2014. Raw material consumed 40,000 units at the rate of 7 per unit. This is the information of direct materials. Direct wages, skilled worker rupees 9 per unit. Skilled worker rupees 9 per unit, that will be part of direct labor. Unskilled worker rupees 6 per unit, it will be part of direct labor. Royalty on raw material consumed rupees 3 per unit, it will be part of direct expense. Works overheads, that is factory overheads, at the rate of rupees 8 per machine hours. So total number of machine hours given next 25,000 hours. To find out factory overheads, we are required to do multiplication. 25,000 hours multiplied by works overheads rupees 8 per machine hour multiplied by 8. Office overheads at 1/3 of works cost, it will be administration overheads. Sales commission rupees 4 per unit, selling overheads. Unit produced 40,000 units. Stock of units at the end 4,000 units to be valued at cost of production per unit. So they have given information of closing stock of finished goods. It will be deducted from cost of production. Selling price rupees 50 per unit. Prepare cost sheet showing various elements of cost both in total and per unit. First we will have to record direct materials. Raw material consumed 40,000 units at the rate of 7 per unit. So it will be 2,80,000. Direct wages, there are two types of laborers, skilled and unskilled. In case of skilled, they have said rupees 9 per unit. It will be rupees 9 per unit produced. Total unit produced, they have given 40,000 units. Unskilled, it is rupees 6 per unit. it will be 2,40,000. We'll be adding both. So direct wages is rupees 6 lakhs. Direct expense royalty on raw material consumed at the rate of 3 per unit. Raw material consumed is 40,000 units and royalty says rupees 3 per unit. So direct expense is 1,20,000. So we got direct material, direct wages, direct expenses. We will be adding this to arrive at prime cost. Prime cost we got 10 lakhs. Total 40,000 units produced. We can get per unit cost 2,80,000 rupees. 2,80,000 rupees divided by 40,000 units. It is 7 rupees per unit. 6 lakh divided by 40,000 units. Rupees 15 per unit. 1,20,000 divided by 40,000 units. 3 per unit. Prime cost per unit will be rupees 25. To this we are required to add factory overheads. About factory overheads, they have said machine hour work 25,000 hours. Factory overheads rupees 8 per machine hour. Factory overheads rupees 2 lakhs. This will be added to prime cost. Total works cost 12 lakhs. Per unit it is rupees 30. To this we are going to add office and administration overheads. Office overheads at 1/3 of works cost. So office overheads 1/3 will be 4 lakhs. Per unit it will be 10 rupees. We will be adding office overheads to works cost to arrive at cost of production. So cost of production is 16 lakhs to produce 40,000 units. Current cost of production per unit is rupees 40. To this we are required to add opening stock of finished goods. In question, opening stock of finished goods is not given. If it is given, we are required to add it. Less closing stock of finished goods. They have said that there will be a closing stock of 4,000 units. So that 4,000 units we are required to deduct from cost of production. How to value closing stock of finished goods? As per the information given in the question, it has to be valued at current cost of production per unit. Current cost of production per unit is rupees 40. 4,000 units of closing stock valued at 40 rupees. It comes to 1,60,000. It will be deducted from this 16 lakhs. So we got cost of goods sold 14,40,000, units sold 36,000. Per unit it will be same 40 rupees. To this we are required to add selling and distribution overheads. Sales commission rupees 4 per unit. So units sold are 36,000 units multiplied by 4 per unit. So total sales commission will be 1,44,000. This will be added to arrive at total cost. So total cost or cost of sales is 15,84,000. Per unit it is rupees 44. To this we are required to add profit so that we can finally arrive at amount of sales. Sale price is given in the question rupees 50 per unit. We can find out balancing figure of profit per unit. 50 minus 44, it will be 6 rupees. We can find out the total values. Total profit 2,16,000. Total sales 18 lakhs. Thus, when machine hours are given, how to do cost sheet, that we have learned. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.